Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So I had recently been to Spain and I did a lot of shopping, and especially I went to Kiko and then I bought a lot of products. So today I'm going to do a Kiko makeup haul. So I got 2 lipsticks and these lip pencils, and I want to try it. So I thought, why don't I try it with you guys? So metallic lipsticks are like really in trend, and I got these 2 lipsticks. So this is the first shade. It's called 01 Metallic Lipstick. It's by Kiko Milano, and it's a really good brand there, and there was a lot of sale going on, so I picked up all these things quickly. So let me show you this lipstick. So it's just like a plain silver color. So as you know, metallic lipsticks are so in trend, so you can just use any lipstick, any matte lipstick, and then apply this. So this will give you that shine plus, you know, that metal thing. So I'm going to swatch this and show you how it looks like. It's really nice, like this shimmery color. You can apply it on any lipstick. Also, you can use this as your highlighter. So I'm just going to highlight my nose. It works well. This, you can use it as your lipstick plus your highlighter. So my second lipstick is this one. The shade is 09, and this is a nice red color. So I'm just going to swatch this one too. Apply it on my lips. It's a nice metallic red. This is also a nice red lipstick with this amazing metallic color, and it's quite close to the lipstick which Huda Beauty has just released, the metallic ones. So I think I really like this. I'm going to use this quite a lot. So next up is this lip pencil, and the shade is 505. So this is a nice nudish shade, slightly pink, and I'm going to swatch this and show you. It's so smooth and nice. It glides on really well. And I'm just loving the texture of it. It's so soft. So this is a nice daily wear lip pencil. You can use it with your nude color. So the next one is a nice red color. This is 514. So as I told you, it's red. I'm going to swatch this and show you. So I can use this as well. So I can use it before applying this lipstick. I can just outline my lips and then apply this. My next shade is 533. So as I told you, this next shade is 533. This again is a nude shade. Nice light brownish shade. So guys, these are my Kiko products which I just purchased, and I think the product is really good. I like this brand already, especially the lip pencils. They are really good, and these lipsticks are also very good, and I got it on a really nice deal. The sale was amazing. So if you tend to go to any other place like outside India, if you find Kiko, I think you should definitely get these products. And let me know if you've got any new products in the comment section below. If you want to ask me anything, I'm always there. I'll answer all your questions. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.